Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're researching the best passive income opportunities in 2020. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because what I'm going to break down in this video is an opportunity that I personally believe to be the best one out of all the things out there online. Now, I know that's a big claim, but you can see on the screen right now that today, okay, I was able to generate $1,000, and then yesterday I was able to generate over $2,000. And if I refresh, you're going to be able to see that this is real, legit income. Now, what I want to share with you is I was able to do this totally passively, and most of this money was generated either while I was hanging out with my family, eating lunch. Another commission came in while I was sleeping. So what I'm going to share with you works whether you have a big following online or not, whether you want to put your face out there or not. This is going to work for you whether you're brand new, whether you don't have any previous experience, you're not very technical. Now, there's a lot of different ways to make money online, but what I personally recommend after being online 5 years, trying dozens of things, is you do affiliate marketing. Right? You've probably heard of affiliate marketing. It's very popular, and a lot of people make YouTube videos about it because it's so simple to actually understand. What it is you can find products online that you don't have to create. You can find other people that are interested in buying those products, and when you recommend the interested people to that product and they buy through your own coded link, you get credit for that recommendation and you actually earn a commission. But what I'm going to share with you inside this video is my #1 recommended affiliate program that pays you instant commissions as much as $16,500. Okay, so this is what I'm personally using. This is what people that are members under me, my teammates, people from all over the world have been plugging into this passive income opportunity and started to see some results incredibly quickly. Okay, so what this system is basically called is the Profits Passport system. Okay, now maybe you've heard of the buzz, actually. Maybe you've seen some of the incredible testimonials from people 18 years old, making their first $500 commission. A person 76, a woman never doing anything online before, just having some free time at home, plugged into the system, let the system do the heavy lifting for her, and able to make her first $1,000 sale. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you is the system. Now, before I dive more into this, I want to share there's going to be a link directly below this video that at any time in this video, if you want to find out more information, you want to check out more success stories, you want to actually plug in to this totally free system, there's going to be a link directly below. You can do that anytime. Now, I go more in depth in other YouTube videos. If you want to go into the Profits Passport system, look at all the different income streams. There's 6 different income streams at the time of recording. Okay, so if you are new to making money online, having multiple income streams, multiple different affiliate programs or products that you're promoting is very, very crucial and important if you want to make a lot of money online. And the beautiful thing about this system is it has all of that under one simple website. Okay, so it has all that compiled for you. Now, making it very simple, if you want to make passive income with affiliate marketing, which I personally recommend you do, because again, if you try to go out there and do Shopify, which is a form of, a way you can make money online, if you try to go out there and do Forex trading, which I've dabbled in, all these different methods, a lot of them have a very steep learning curve. Okay, they take a lot of trial and error, a lot of money that you have to put up front, and often people lose their money. With this, you are using a system that's been proven to work time and time again with people from all over the world. The way it works is what you get access to is a total done-for-you system that includes capture pages that will basically collect your prospect, your interested person that you're finding online. It will collect that person's email address, and then the system will actually start following up through automated emails, sending that person sales messages until they either buy or they decide it's not for them. But when they do buy, and a high percentage will, and they buy through your own link, you get credit and you can start to make some pretty darn good income. Now, I'm not special. I was a C student. I dropped out of college. I was slaving away as a waiter not too long ago, but I plugged into a working system. I locked arms with someone that I trusted, somebody that was getting the results, and I listened to what they said. I got started, and in a very short period of time, I was able to quit my job and do this full time. So it's not too good to be true. It's very simple and it's very easy. So how does it work? Well, there's a video right here where the creator of this system is going to break it down. And again, this system is free to use. Now, some of the income streams do require you to position yourself into the different income streams at a certain level, being a pay-to-play program. But most high-ticket affiliate marketing programs that pay you, $2,000, $1,000 per commission are pay-to-play programs. And if you're serious about making money online, if you're looking for a passive income opportunity, this is really the easiest thing you're going to find. And I say that because, I've tried so many other things that promise the world. You get in, they never actually deliver. So how does it work? Well, you can watch this video, find out how the income streams work. You can watch one of my videos on YouTube where I break it down. But basically, you just go through the different income streams. You sign up, create an account, okay? You put your affiliate ID into this right here with the different income streams, and you save it, okay? So now that's going to be your account locked onto the system. So your system is going to have your own affiliate information in it. And if you need a tutorial, you can click here and the creator of the system will walk you through a very simple over-the-shoulder tutorial on how to do it. And then once you go through, all you do is you get your link. Okay, this is going to be your link that's coded to you. This is my personal link. And what that link goes to is this page. Now, this is the front of your personal funnel. Okay, this is the capture page. When you send someone to your link and they put their email in, David, the creator of the system, will start following up, start messaging that person promotional emails, and it does a great job to get people to buy. And that's how people are able to wake up to money being made. Check their email inbox and see, congratulations, you just made another commission. How would it feel to be able to be doing your favorite hobby or hanging out with your loved ones or traveling or doing whatever you love to do? You look down at your phone, you log into your email inbox, and you see, congratulations, you just made $1,000. You don't know the person. It just came in on total autopilot. How excited would you feel as that starts to happen on a daily basis? Well, what I want to do right now is actually just walk you through a few simple testimonials that we're getting inside of our private team Facebook group for all new members, so you can see that it's not just me getting results with this. And again, there's going to be a link down below. You can check out more information, set up your system, and start to get the same results that all of us are getting. Okay, Jeff right here, 3 hours ago, he posted, great way to start the weekend. $1,050 came in so far while relaxing, enjoying the nice weather. Okay, so he was probably outside, relaxing, enjoying the weather, and he was able to make over $1,000. Okay, Paula right here. Okay, David, the creator of the system right here, is constantly shouting out people. This guy right here made $200 automated. Okay, totally passively. Okay, this person right here, an hour ago, they made $100. Okay, this Clay, $197 automated. Ontarion, okay, over $2,000 automated. Quantane, $25. Okay, I posted in here. I had generated over $4,000 in 3 days. Okay, Brenda, she made $500. Okay, while driving. Right? So again, the testimonials are absolutely incredible. Jeff right here, $100. It's a brand new system, ground floor. Be sure to go down below if you've been researching, right? Maybe you've watched a lot of YouTube videos. Maybe you've been really scrolling down your Facebook feed. You've been doing a lot of research. Maybe you're hurting for money right now. The economy is tanking in a lot of places with what's going on in the world. You've been searching for a way to make income passively in 2020 and beyond. Believe me, I've never seen a more simple and easy way to do it. Go down below, put your email in on my website, look out for your email, and I'll send you some more information on how to get started. Totally free to set up your system. Go through, plug in, Position yourself as high as you can in the different income streams, and then look out for an email from me. Once you do that, I'm going to share with you my personal strategies in 30 to 60 minutes a day to generate this money on a daily basis. Okay, so I'm excited for you, my friend. Go down below, check this out. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below in the YouTube comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I really appreciate you checking this out. Go down below, check this out, and I will talk to you very soon. Take care.